Hi, I'm Joe from Logitech, and in this video, I'll show you how to use the guided breathing experience with your Spotlight 2 presentation remote. We all get a bit nervous before a presentation. The guided breathing experience is designed to help you feel more focused, confident, and ready to present at your best. Simply follow these 4 easy steps. Step 1. Download or update to the latest version of the Logi Options Plus app from app.logi.com. Step 2. Connect the Spotlight 2 using the Logi Bolt USB-C receiver or Bluetooth. Step 3. Select Spotlight 2 in Options Plus and click on Focus. Step 4. Click Continue and get in the zone and follow the on-screen instructions. It uses a combination of on-screen visuals and haptic vibrations on your Spotlight 2 to guide your breathing. And a quick tip, you can adjust the haptic intensity in your settings to suit your preference. Now you are ready to present, engage, and inspire with the Spotlight 2 presentation remote. And if you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more Logitech tips. Thanks for watching.